This $1,300 field monitor makes $50,000 cameras jealous. Osee Mega 22S goes beast mode in sunlight. Let's talk about the onset struggle no one likes to admit. Your monitor sucks. You're battling glare like a vampire at noon, second-guessing your colors, and praying your waveform doesn't gaslight you again. Deadlines are tighter, clients are crankier, and you're stuck squinting at a display that's basically lying to your face. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and worst of all, it slows everything down. You're not lazy, your gear's just holding you back. You've got the camera, the talent, the crew, but your monitor? It's the weakest link. It's time to level up your setup and stop settling. Because the pain gets real. You're color correcting on a display that belongs in 2013. You're misjudging skin tones, blowing highlights, and wasting time with LUT guesswork. Every minute fiddling with settings is one less take, one more will fix it in post, and yeah, we know how that ends. That creeping voice whispering this looks off? That's your intuition begging for a better tool. In this industry, your monitor should be your truth teller, not your gaslighter. And missing those perfect golden hour shots because your screen couldn't keep up with the sun? That's a crime against cinema. Enter the Osee Mega 22S, aka the production monitor that just gets it. With 1500 nits of pure daylight slaying brightness, 10-bit IPS panel, and 100% Rec 709 color, you finally get a screen that's as serious as your vision. The built-in color self-calibration? Chef's kiss. No laptop voodoo required. Just hit a button, and boom, accurate colors, on the spot. Whether you're in the desert, on a mountaintop, or cramped in a van shooting indie gold, the Mega 22S brings clarity, confidence, and cred. HDR support, 3G SDI, 4K HDMI, HLG, PQ, custom LUTs, it's got the full filmmaker fantasy loaded in one slick, metal unibody. Here's the juicy part. Custom foam for your Pelican 1600, Sunhood for wild shoots, C-stand adapter for single hand mount, and Swift OS UI that lets you toggle up to 8 custom toolkits in one tap. This isn't just gear, it's your new second brain on set. Focus peaking, false color, waveform, vector scope, it speaks fluent filmmaker. And it works with ARRI, Sony, Canon, Red logs, like a universal translator for your creative language. Ready to ditch stress and color guesswork? Click through and see how thousands of pros already made the Mega 22S their default visual weapon. Don't wait till your next shoot to say, damn, I should have had this. This monitor doesn't just flex, it performs like a beast in any lighting, any setup, any shoot. And yep, they're moving fast. Everyone from YouTubers to Netflix DP crews is scooping this up. Don't let laggy tools kill your momentum or creativity. Seize the Osee Mega 22S, and make your visuals unmissable. You've got the talent. Now get the tech that keeps up. Hit that button, claim your clarity, and dominate the frame like never before.